Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with an Erin Condren haul. I'm going to pull it back, open it up for y'all, and then show you the inside. So here we go. I hope you guys are having a great day. It is one busy day here, and we're trying to get a whole bunch of other stuff done. So the inside is pretty basic. You guys have seen where they've packed these out before, and they're gorgeous. And this was pretty basic, but that's okay. I know that they had a lot because they wrote me and said, "We're sorry, we're late, it's coming." So, anyways, okay, I'm going to wipe this down because I just picked it up at my post office, and, you know, our post office is not, it's country where it's cattle and cotton, so we have to be careful. Okay, so you can see it's a nice size stack, not crazy, and I got everything. Let me see if I can find the receipt. I got everything on a phenomenal sale, period. I don't see a receipt in here. And they probably just emailed it, but it was a crazy good sale. So, which is, you know, that's how I shop. So, I have bought these before. I love them. I've bought these, but not these, so I bought both this time. And it was, I think these are 50% off. I mean, it was a crazy good sale. I cannot remember exactly. If it's any different, I'll let you know. But, you know, I also bought this because I'm going to be working on health and fitness this next year. It's just a real problem. I know that in order for me to have knee surgery, I need to be in better shape. Number one, for recovery and rehab, I need to be in better shape. But also weight-wise, I need to not be heavy. I need to take off as much pressure as I possibly can off my knee. So, and who knows, sometimes when you do that, it gets better. You can extend that knee out a little bit longer. So we'll see. I also picked up some of these. These are the New Year, New You. So, yeah, just encouragements. This was the Christmas, which I'll probably save for next year. But, I mean, we're still only on the 13th today. Yeah, so I could still use them. Pretty cute. Add a little confetti to each day. This is a designer sticker book, and it comes with one sticker sheet per month. So I'm super excited to play with this. I think it'll be great. The only thing we really don't do is we don't do Halloween. It's just a personal thing. We've never done Halloween. But I think there's still stickers we can still use that month. So I think it'll still be pretty. And it's not that we're anti-Halloween. Well, it's just something we've never celebrated. We live in farm fields, and we've lived with farmer friends all these years, so we celebrate fall harvest is what we do. Okay, so I have that, and this, and this, and this. Do you notice that they're similar? And that, because I didn't get any Christmas stickers this year, and that. So, these are the design your own. I know. You can design your own. Did you know that? So I designed that one. I designed that one. I mean, it has a basic layout, and then you just go in and put the colors that you want. So I love that one for Christmas. I love this one for February and January. And then for us, April is a big time, and so we have a lot of wildflowers, so I thought that'd be pretty, and I thought this would be pretty for March, or, you know, somewhere in there. I know it's not exactly March colors, but, you know, I'm a girl. I'm a girly girl. I love my pink. And then I just picked that one up. That was pro breast cancer awareness. So this whole particular design was that, and so I went ahead and grabbed that one as well. I thought that was way too much fun. I could not wait to share that with you. And in light of what they sell the stickers for one sheet at a time, it was really, I wouldn't say it's the most affordable way to create sticker sheets the way you want, but it wasn't off the chart either, especially for Erin Condren, and because I had a coupon, it was totally worth it. So, I also picked up the 2020 daily. So these are the daily planner, and that I'm going to keep in my petite planner and all of that. So you'll see that when I set that up. And then I got a medical treatment one. It says, "You've got this." Hold on one second. I get a sip of tea. I'm so sorry. Pardon me. The wind is blowing nonstop out there. We live in open pastures and farm fields, so you go outside and it's just, it's dusty, it's windy, it's chilly, it's all that. So I'm going to have some minor surgery, hoping it's going to be minor, in 2020. I go see a doctor on Monday. I'm hoping they can refer me to a surgeon Monday, and then I can make an appointment. And yeah, so it's all good. It's all good. So I wanted to make sure that I have that in play. I also want to begin PT on my knees. It's a whole new year. So yeah, and for those who don't understand the need for me to take care of my health and myself and all that good stuff, then they're just going to have to wait. And I know that doesn't sound very kind, but I've been pretty kind for a long time, and I've paid the price when other people, quote, needed not to have to deal with these things, and now my body's wearing out, and so I have to attend to some of the things that I need to attend to for me. And for those who do understand that, I so appreciate that. And for those who have not understood in the past, or who may not understand in the future, I'm just praying for lots of grace and mercy. And yeah, and it's a good thing to take the time to take care of yourself, my friends. And so that's what a lot of the stickers are about. They're about focusing on getting healthy and doing the right things and keeping a pretty and optimistic, look at things and all of that. Keeping everything, positive. We're going to be positive. We're going to challenge. We're going to have these challenges on with a positive attitude, and we're just going to push on through and get everything done like we should be doing and we should have been doing. And I've got I did a video today of my Daily Grace Company Be Still magazine set I ordered. And by the way, I don't know if I said this enough, but there was a person who gifted me that, and I just want to say thank you, and thank you for the encouragement, and thank you for the blessings. And we've had a couple of tremendous supporters on this channel who have just been fantastic, to not only to me as an encouragement, but also to you guys as well. And I love doing things for y'all. It's like really the fun part for me. But when I've had to stop a couple of times, and they've sent me, specifically to say, you need to do this, or we want you to try this, and we want you to slow down and play with this. And so that's a lot of what that was. And I so appreciate them and their support and their love and their kindness and their selflessness. And because anybody who does that for a total stranger, to me, is very unselfish and very kind, and I appreciate that. And so, anyways, I didn't get all teary-eyed when I opened it up, and now I'm getting all teary-eyed. You can figure that one out, huh? Goodness. Oh, I can't even say it's hormonal. But I do appreciate it. I do appreciate the love and the support and the encouragement that you guys have all given me. And it's all good. It's going to be fine, because I know that I'm going to get a lot of responses here, and I would like you guys to just know it's all good. It's going to be fine. So let's get healthy together. Let's get healthy together. And come on back. I've got one more haul for you. Okay, friends. Yeah, I got 2 boxes in the mail today. It was lots of fun. Anyways, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you guys for stopping by. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, I know many of you have written me and said you're using the mini petite planners this year. I would love to see what you're doing. And I know that one of our dear sweet friends is even going to use it for her Bible journaling. I think that's so great. So, y'all, I just am so encouraged by y'all. And actually, my dear sweet friend, I think I may be taking a page from your wonderful example, and I may just be doing one as well, just to be with you on that one. It's just, I don't know why I didn't think of that. You're so smart. All right, my friends. Again, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. Yeah, leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to know. All right, friends, I'll be talking to y'all soon. In just a minute, I'm going to come back with one more video, and then I got to run and get my shower. All right, friends, bye.